Clint from 50 Campfires. Today we're going to talk about why you need to waterproof your tent and how to do it. If you use your tent a lot and especially under a lot of different conditions, you are probably going to need to waterproof it sooner or later. We camp in this big beast. This is a Nemo 8-person wagon top. One of my favorite tents that's ever been built. But we have had it in dust storms in Death Valley, out on the rainy coasts of Oregon and the Rocky Mountains, down in Florida, down in the heat, down in the bayou. And so it really gets beat up. And the last time we were camping in it, lo and behold, we woke up in the morning, a couple drops coming down here and there. As you pack your tent in and out of the bag all the time, that's a lot of friction and abrasion. That starts to wear down the coating. You have the UV rays beating down and it starts to break down the durable water repellent coating on your tent, sometimes just referred to as the DWR. Let me show you how to fix that problem. Two of my favorite products, Nikwax Tent and Gear Solar Wash and the Nikwax Tent and Gear Solar Proof. This here's a new product and it's pretty cool because it allows you to wash your tent off and it doesn't break down the water repellent coating that your tent has. Now, if your tent gets really dirty like ours, you're gonna need this here in this two-step process. If you've been camping and your tent isn't that dirty, you can probably get away with just using the Nikwax Tent and Gear Solar Proof. So the way I'm gonna start today is to go ahead and wash this whole thing down. You're gonna wanna get a bucket of water, spray it down, rub it down with a sponge or a rag. Second part of that process is, and here's what's really cool about the Tent and Gear Solar Proof, is that your tent can be wet and it will still absorb into the material. So, if you want to do this just kind of in one shot in the afternoon, that's a great way to do it because you don't have to wait till your tent dries. This stuff here, you're going to spray all over the top of your tent. You could do the whole thing, but today I'm just going to do the top. Let it soak in for 2 or 3 minutes. You're going to have some that doesn't get absorbed. That stuff you can just come back with a damp sponge and just go ahead and kind of rub the whole thing over, make sure it gets rubbed into the tent, and then just let it dry. We're lucky enough to have a pretty big space here at the office, so I can do this inside. Obviously, it goes without saying that if you're gonna do it outside, check the weather forecast so you can let the tent fully dry out. But even the best tents are gonna need a little TLC from time to time. So with a great product like the Nikwax Tent and Gear Solar Wash, you'd be surprised at how many years you can get.